Hello guys, welcome to Text360. In this video, I'm gonna solving Windows search bar not working or not typing. At first, just type Windows plus R, and here you can see this command box. Just run it. C/Windows/System32. Just run it. Okay. Now from here again, just type Control plus F, and here you can see CFT. Just click on it, and here you can see this CTMON. Just right click on it, CTFMON, and here you can see send to. Just from here select desktop create shortcut. Now go back, and here you can see your create shortcut is here. Now again type Control plus R. Now just remove it and copy this shell commons startup. Now click on OK, and here you can see this here. Now just you need to paste the shortcut item here, CTFMON, that shortcut. Just copy it here, click on continue, and by this your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.